Jai Hind class, welcome in computer live class. Students, hope everyone given the half yearly exam and very well done. You have all of you done. Hope okay. So students, today we will discuss your next test syllabus and recording as regarding your test syllabus. We will start your chapter. So students, first of all, see what syllabus. Listen students, this is your yes, this is project test one you have given and half yearly exam already you have given. So all the chapters you know. Now next course term second, their unit test and the project test second, log on to Animate CC and working with Animate CC. These two chapter will come and in annual exam whatever chapter you project test to that chapter come as well as introducing Python and internet services. These two chapters also along with clear. So now today we are just going to start log on to Animate CC. Students, before it this is your chapter log on to Animate CC. Animate, that means how you can form as a picture and how you can animate them. So first of all, what point we have to read this? What is animate? How to start animate? The animate workspace using the tool panels and frame by frame techniques. So first of all, what is animate? Class, it is a software package. Students, animate is a software package that allow the user to create interactive animations. I think all of you seeing that cartoons, etc., and other cartoonish film, whatever. These all are basis on like a animate. And with the help of software, then we can make the any animate pictures, animate movie, animate things. This is using animate. What we can do, one can combine. What we can combine, images, audio, video, and other effects to create animations. Originally, it was designed to create animations to be displayed on web pages. Yes, it was designed to create animations to be displayed on web pages. And animate is now commonly used to create games, cartoons, websites, photo galleries, and much more. Many work are there. Students, you know very well the games, PUBG games. This is the now this is banned. Cartoons, I love everyone seeing websites, photo galleries. These all are with the help of animate software. The animations and graphics created in animate can be scaled to any size without compromising on the clarity or quality. That means you can big and bigger size, then there no effect of the quality and also it's not its clarity. So animate is a software package that allow the user to create interactive animations. Using animate, what we can do, we can combine images, audio, video, and many more things we can do. Many more effect we can added them. Originally, it was designed to create animations to be displayed on web pages. Now it is used to also in games, cartoons, websites, photo galleries, and many more things. And you know that we have already discussed whatever the size that this is not depend on because it's all are without compromising. We can get the clarity or quality both things on the animated pictures or graphics. Okay, now students, you should this Adobe before how to start the Animate CC. You can download from your websites. You will write Adobe Animate CC or you can also purchase from the vendors where the software. huh? Okay, so now how to start? To start animate, follow these steps. What? Click on start button, Adobe Animate CC. Now this is start button and Adobe Animate CC. Welcome screen appears. So students, now we want to show you how to start this. Go on the start button. Here we have already done. We have a file. This software, Adobe Animate 2019. This is the latest. There's something a little bit different from, but see, taking to time. Because this is very big. This is GB software. Okay. So wait for better. Yes, this is opening. And this is very good software, students. Now getting students very soon. Yes. Actually, this is first time we are just opening. From next class, we have already opened. We want to show you how it will open, what you will see. Yes, better. Now, there are the options are given. Which option you want? Okay. Suppose we have taken standard. Now create options. Okay, this is standard option. Okay, now again, if you want to new option, now asking here, this way. Okay, students, now you can see on your book there is given here. This is the first time when you will, suppose when you are opening, so first time this will come. Animate script 3.0, a new blank file will open in animate window. Now many things are given. Animate workspace. Animate workspace, that means students, you can see this is animate workspace. This is a space, animate workspace, where we will do the work. Clear, students? Next one is menu bar. The menu bar contains control for common functions and commands such as opening, editing and saving files. Students, we can see here, this is the menu bar. File menu, edit menu, view menu, insert, modify, many more things are given. In file menu, we can use the new options. Open the any save file. If you want to save the file, there are save and save as options. Close. Okay. So there are also shortcut keys are given. New if you want to, so control plus and you will do. Open control plus O. You know very well. If you want to open recent, so this file will be here. I have not anything here, so they are not showing anything. Okay, close control plus W. If you want to open the close all, if many more files are open here, so you want to close all the, so control plus alt plus W. Save control plus S. If you have made, you want to change that file, then you can use the save. Save as, if you want to, you have made a new file, you want to save it with control plus shift plus S or save as file. Save all, import, export, convert, many more things are given. Students. Okay, export, import, convert and publish setting. This many more things are exit. Okay, this many more things are given. So this is the menu bar. Clear? Now the stage. This is the rectangular workspace area where you place your content and create your drawing. You can see, students, here. This is the space. This is workspace, stage also known as, and here we can do work. By default the stage size is 550 to 400 pixel because we have chosen this file, this space, so that is showing like this. Otherwise by default we will see the 550 into 400 pixel, the stage size. Clear? Next one is students, the tools panel. It contains a set of tools to draw, paint, select and modify object in the workspace. You can see students, this is all the menu bar, this is library tools panel here showing. Also you can see students, these all are the tools panel. There are many options are given. You can see sub selection tool, free transform tool. This is the 3D rotation tool, lasso tool, pen tool, text tool, line tool, rectangle tool, oval tool. These many tools are given students. Clear? So it contains a set of tools to draw, paint, select and modify object in the workspace. Properties panel. The properties panel displays various properties of the selected object, text, symbol, image or shape. Students, you can see here the not option is given. Suppose we have selected this one. Okay, so where we will see the properties. Okay, I am showing students. Students, what we have selected? Rectangular. Okay, rectangle tool. So this is the properties and library. So with the help of properties we can set the stroke color, style, width, scale. These all are things we can do with the help of these properties. Okay, either also this is the color, alignment, transform, motion. These all. Students, when we start, then we will tell you what things are given. First of all, we are introducing this animate software. Now next one is given yes, timeline. Properties, the properties, yes, we have discussed properties inspector, windows and properties option. Now windows, why showing better? Listen, if the properties panel is not visible, suppose here it is suppose not visible, so we have crossed it. Okay, not visible, so we are showing that not visible, then you can select the window, then properties option. Here this is the window menu and the way the properties, this is properties. Okay, automatically has come. So by this way, if you are not getting, they are not visible, so from the Windows panel you can get each and everything. Okay, timeline. Okay, also you can get this is timeline. I am showing with this PDF file. The timeline is a window at the bottom of the stage. It is divided into frames. It is the area where one controls the sequencing and timing of graphics and other elements of a movie. This is timeline option. You can see students, this is one is the timeline. Okay, this one is the timeline option. Clear? Next one is given using the tools panel. What we can do with the help of the tool panels? There is given the tools panel consists of many tools that help in drawing, coloring and modifying an object. With the help of tools we can create shape like a rectangle, circle, line or any other object. Most of animate tools work similar to the tools present in Microsoft Paint. Students, tools panels, I think everyone done paint. Okay, so paint option, this is similar to what the tools panels are given here. Yes, saying also animate tools work similar to the tools present in the Workshop Paint. Drawing, the drawing tools, coloring, modifying, these all are tools are present on there. Rectangle, circle, line or any other. Clear? And here we can show you rectangle, oval. This one is the line tool, text tool. This is the polystar tool, pencil tool, bend brush, brush tool. So many options are given, students. Next one is, this is the tools. Yes, this is drawing tool. You can see, students, here some tools are drawing tools also given. Ink tool, brush tool, pencil tool. This is all our drawing tool. Students, rectangle tool. First we start from the rectangle tool. How we can draw the rectangle tool? First of all, see everyone, everyone have a book. Rectangle tool. This tool is used to create square and rectangular shape. This tool is used to create a square and rectangular shape. And with this, we can draw a round rectangle with the option rectangle tool, stroke color, fill color. We can select this one if you are selecting the rectangle tool and hold or drag and mouse pointer on the stage. Okay, I am showing students. Suppose, students, here is the rectangle tool. Okay, we have selected. Now we have drawn. Okay, we have done rectangle tool and rectangle perimeter tool. Clear, students? These options are given. So this rectangle tool, they the given, students. Select the rectangle tool we have selected and we have already drawn. Select the stroke color, fill color and stroke size, style and scale from the property inspector. Stroke color, we can increase. Okay, see here. Okay, this is stroke color. We have increased this. If we decrease like this, you can see this one. Style, we are changing the style. Suppose this style. Okay, they are changing. Students, many styles are given. Width, we are increasing the width. Yes, the thickness. What happens, friends? See here. Okay, the thickness has been increased. Okay, by this way. Round, their round will come. Okay, friends, first of all we will erase it. Okay, next. Don't worry, friends. Now again we have got clear. Yes, same thing, rectangle, and we will this is round, this is also round we have taken. Now see one, this is round form. Okay, now if you are changing, see there is the corner is the very point, pennant point. So this way, square, this is a very square form. Okay, so this way we can change in color in choosing here. Now color like this way. If a color we are choosing here any color, so now this color will come. So many more things we can do. students. This is the how we can draw the rectangle tool, students. So this way we can do. Again, I am showing you, students, what we have done. So you know we have done the Control Z. Again, I am telling here same thing. Rectangle tool. We will select fill and stroke color, stroke, style, width, scale. This is normal, horizontal. Okay. If vertical, if you are doing, this is vertical form. None. Captions round. This should be round also. Acha, both one. Yes. Okay. So stroke color increase. This will be big. Okay. Many more. This is more big. Yes. Okay. So no need. And here what we have chosen here, suppose here, so by this drag from, this is outer edge. Okay. So this way we will get students. Now students, after that what is given? Yes, fill color we have used, stroke color, style and scale. From properties factor we have used, students. Hold and drag the mouse pointer on the stage as the rectangular shape is created. Release the left mouse button. Now draw the rounded rectangle specified on the corner radius under the rectangular options. We have done already, students. Corner radius control slider on change the value of all the corners. So students, now we have done how to draw the rectangle tool and what changes we can do. Clear, students? Next one, this is a chain of symbols, this is rectangular options, pen bucket tool, both many things are given. The chain symbol, students, here given, place left of the corners radius control slider is connected. You can lock and the corner radius control to one control by setting the radius in one box. You can set same radius for all the corner. Yes, by this way. Clear, students? Here given your homework. You can also draw the like oval, polyster, these all are with the help of this one. Now polish star tool, students. This tool used to draw polygons or stars. Before it, students, we want to tell chain symbol. This one is, students, you can see this is chain. We have you already used this one, students. We have already used. This is chain. What we have done, suppose this one is, see here, if you are increases this way, decreases. Okay, students, this is chain symbol. This way, if you are, so no, see here, this is a corner point. No here, no here joint form. But if you are doing like that, you are getting the some very interactive, this one. This is a very oval shape. What we are changing here? So this corner point are changing. I am telling students one more time. Start from the beginning. See, this is the form. Next, now changes here. Next one, here changes. Okay, so whatever we are using this chain, see, very oval, we can draw like that. So students, so many things we have used, students, today. First of all, students, what is animations, how to start, and what the animate workspace, menu bar, stage, tools panel, the properties panel, and how to use the tool panels. We have understand drawing tools, rectangle tools. We have today we have discussed. So students, you have to practice first of all, download this app, this software, then you can use it. Clear students? And with the help of book or whatever we have told you. So this thing we have done students today. So till here we have completed students. So students, now this is a very new chapter, and everyone have fully enjoyed whatever we have told you, and everyone practice. First of all, download or purchase from the any software shop. Okay, then you can, whatever we have told you, then you can do when you have this software. Then okay students, this is a very big software, I think GBs 1.8 1.7 GB. So in your PC, you can use and enjoy it better. Okay, so whatever we have told you students, clear the concept, and next week we will review again, but you have to practice students. Okay students, now I am leaving the class. Jai Hind class. Thank you students.